So this is the Shishito Not, one of our most popular cocktails here at Shokudo. We have Lunazol Reposado Tequila, grapefruit liqueur, and just a dash of dry vermouth. We have lime juice, and then our house-made Shishito simple syrup. Let's do a little black salt rim here on the glass. With a nice big ice cube. Give it a good shake. And then this gets garnished with a charred shishito pepper.